Good morning, everybody. I am K. Palanivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today I go into the topic a case study for harmonic analysis investigation in CSE machine plant. Starting to the introduction. The harmonic distortion of the voltage and current in an industrial facility is caused by the operation of non-linear loads and devices on the power system. A non-linear load is one that does not draw sinusoidal current when a sinusoidal voltage is applied. High harmonic currents can have several negative effects on a facility. High level, uh, High level of distortion can lower power factors and overheat equipment and lead to penalties from the local utility for exceeding recommended limits. Each of these effects can result in higher cost of the facility. This one is facility. This one. Next one is harmonic currents increase the voltage amperes required for a load without increasing the watts. Next one, the series states that a transformer can only be expected to carry its rated current if the current distortion is less than 5. The overheating is caused primarily by the higher eddy current losses inside the transformer than were anticipated by the designer. Next one, the overheating can be avoided by the by either derating the transformer. Next one, another effect of harmonic currents is the overheating of neutral wires in Y connected circuits. This effect occurs because the third harmonic means the 180 hertz and any multiplies there thereof do not cancel in the neutral as do the other harmonic currents. Next one, this potential for overheating can be addressed. This one, yes. This potential for overheating can be addressed by oversigned neutral conductors or reducing nonlinear current with filters by using a combination of pre-stored database and new interpolation techniques. The software can very fast provide the harmonic data on real applications. This one. Next, the harmonic results obtained with this software have acceptable precision even with the limited input data. Next one, harmonics in plant. Harmonics in plant. In this case study analysis of two different cases is harmonics in plant. In this case study, the two different cases is being compared for the presence of harmonics at manufacturing plant. This case one is a normal system configuration delay interfaced with CNC, AC servo drives, spindle drive, along with adaptive and in-process caging system, high voltage module, isolation transformer, and switchgear items. And in case 2, additionally, part compensated filter is added to reduce both systems THVD and THID level. Simulation results proved that the proposed harmonic mitigation method is limiting the harmonic level at all three locations satisfactorily within 5% as mentioned in this standard. 5%. Next one is third harmonic waveforms. Next one is what? Third harmonic waveforms. The evaluation conclude here that this approach is very practical compared to other advanced harmonic analysis methods. This evaluation concludes here that this approach is very practical compared to the other advanced harmonic analysis methods. The results are supported by comparisons of calculations and measurements given in a publication in the power electronics and other etc applications. Next one, determining phase sequence. First one, determining the negative sequence. Odd numbered harmonics are more destructive for heating and torque development. The following table is provided. This one, harmonics. The table is provided is what? Harmonic sequence determination is third harmonic, fifth harmonic, seventh harmonic, and ninth harmonics also given in the table. See this. 3 into first harmonic is 0 degree, next one is 120 degree, next one we take 240 degree. The third harmonic in this 3 into 0. 3 into 0 degree is 0. Next 5 into 0, 0. Total all harmonics are equal to 0. Next one is 120 degree. 3 into 120, 5 into 120 is multiplies as there in the table. The zero sequence. First one, third harmonics in zero sequence. Fifth harmonic is negative sequence. And seventh harmonic positive sequence. Ninth harmonic zero sequence are tabulated this one. Next one, effects of harmonics. Effects of harmonics. Harmonics affects wave shape and power quality, while power factor is a measure of power quantity. Next one, neutral current in three-phase four-wire system is very high. Consequently, overheating of conductor is observed. Next one, reduced power factor. Next one, failure of capacitor banks to improve power factor. Next one, overheating of transformer due to circulating negative sequence harmonic current. Next one, failure of protective relay. This one is. Next one, increased power losses and nuisance tripping of devices. This one. And last one is incorrect meter functioning or reading mistakes. Incorrect meter functioning or reading mistakes. This one is main effects of harmonics. This one. And next one is harmonics voltage distortion limit. Harmonic voltage distortion limits. The THVD and THID limits are given in the following table below. Table, first table is harmonic THD limits is given is what? Below 69 kilovolt, 69 equal or below kilovolt, individual harmonic distortion voltage limit is 3%, and total voltage distortion harmonic limit is 5%. Total harmonic distortion is THVD. Next one, 69 to 161 kilovolt, the individual harmonic distortion voltage limit is 1.5% and total voltage is 2.5%. And above 161 and above kilovolt supply range, the harmonic distortion voltage is 1% and the total voltage distortion harmonic limit is 1.5%. Load current distortion limit is as per standards. Next, current ratio ISC IL. What is meant by ISC? ISC is short circuit current of supply system. ISC means short circuit current of supply system. And another one IL. IL means load current at fundamental is the maximum harmonic current distortion in the table. See this table, this one. See this table, current limit is 11 to 17, 11 to next one is 23, 23 to 25, 25 and above, and TD. First one is 4.0 industry individual harmonic order. These are numbers. First one is take 4.0, next one 2.0, next one 1.5, next one is 0.6, 0.3 and 5.0. Okay. Next one is system description and result analysis. This following table, this one. System result analysis is 3-phase 4-wire input supply. This given the figure. See this diagram. Next one, point of harmonic measurements, individual methods, power method, power module. First one power module, individual module, and the next one power module is, see this table, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, y-axis, and many more. This is a description of system under consideration. See this one. Next one, harmonic data comparison in both cases. Harmonic data comparison is below is the even harmonics are limited to 25% of odd harmonic limit comparison of performance data and harmonics level before case 1 and case 2. Before case 1 and case 2. Harmonic mitigation, in our study, two cases are being compared. Case 1 is a normal system configuration delay interfaced with CNC, AC servo drive, spindle drive, along with adaptive and in-process gauging system, high voltage module, isolation transformer and switchgear items. In case 2, additionally part compensated filter is added to reduce both system THVD and THID levels. The comparison is given table below table. Table comparison is harmonic data comparison in both cases. First one, short circuit power. Short circuit power is unit is MVA. Before case 1 without filter 1.1, after case 2 with partially compensated 1.1. First one is unit, second one is before case 1 without filter, next one is after case 2 with partially compensated. First one is short circuit power, next short circuit current, short circuit ratio, total harmonic voltage distortion THVD, total harmonic voltage distortion THVD, total demand distortion TDD, total RMS current, transformer current loading, displacement power factor DPF, and power factor, harmonic loss factor, derating of rater, derating transformer due to harmonic eddy current, total current losses at normal related current, resist and resistive losses at nominal current, eddy current losses and nominal load current, total losses at load current, resistive losses and load current, eddy losses of the load current. This one is the table, the percentage of this one. Next one is case 1, system without any measures. Case 1, system without any measures. That also without filter. This means one. See this diagram. Harmonic spectra at secondary side of transformer following this figure. First one, the bar chart. See this bar chart. Red one is harmonic current and blue one is harmonic voltages. See this. From the graph in the above is illustrated that total current distortion level is 27.5% with dominant impact of harmonic order 5, 7 and 11. This is harmonic order 5, 7 and 11. It needs mitigation from clean power quality viewpoint so as to ensure the compatibility of input power to all electrically sensitive equipment. Apart from reducing thermal effect, the accuracy and malfunction must be avoided by eliminating or at least bringing down to acceptable limits as defined in the below table. Next one, case 2, after partially compensation using filter. After partially compensation using filter, this following diagram, see this one, graph, two graphs also given this. From graph in the above figure illustrated that total current distortion level is reduced to 7.6% as compared to the previous value of 27.5%. This one, see this diagram. And voltage harmonic distortion is also reduced to 2.8% from 7.7% as in the above diagrams. Above diagrams. Following diagrams. See this totally see this data's limits and also this one harmonic implants is good effect. The harmonic affects wave shape and power quality, while power factor is a measure of quality. Neutral current in 3 or 4 phase wire system is very high. Consequently, overheating the conductor is observed. Reduced power factor is given in these total harmonic formulas. Overheating of transformer due to circulating the negative sequence in harmonic current. Also, that also be given this one point of view. Another effect of harmonic currents is the overheating of neutral wires in Y connected circuit. This effect occurs because the third harmonic is 180 Hz and any multiplies thereof do not cancel in the neutral as do the effects. This one system. This the following diagram is follow the harmonic data comparison the cases is even the cases the potential for overheating can be addressed by overseeing neutral conductors or reducing nonlinear current with filters. Nonlinear current with filters is also followed. This one totally the two cases, the first cases is normally system configuration delay interfaced with CNC and AC servo driven along with the adaptive and in process gauging the system, and case 2 is the part of compensated filter is added to reduce the both the system THVD and THID levels, and simulation results proved that the proposed harmonics mitigation methods is limiting the harmonic level at all three locations satisfactorily with 5% as mentioned in the standard. Last one, lastly, below this. Finally, we are going to conclusion. Conclusion part. First one, in this case study, in this case study, that two different cases are considered for the analyzed. Considered for the analyzed and the power quality is maintained by mitigation of harmonics by maintained mitigation of harmonics. First one, in case 1, without any corrective measures, it is found that harmonic presence due to AC servo drives is THVD 7.8% and THID 27.8%, and after part compensations of filters, the harmonic level reduced to THVD is 2.8% and THID is 7.7%. Such improvement gives intangible benefits in form of enhanced life of equipment and free from unforeseen unpredictable supply waveform and magnitude deformation. These are all the case study of the harmonics level and other harmonics level and investigations and mitigation investigations in CNC machine plant is mainly used this topic. Thank you, thank you, one and all. Thank you. Yes.